It's Todd back with hunting car parts and accessories. Another Amazon find. ZonCar LED lighting. These are a weird size I've never heard of until I needed them. H11s. And believe it or not, these go on a 2014 Silverado. You get your instructions. Don't need those. Zip ties and most of this stuff I will not need, but anybody looking at this, save those. You'll need all of that later on. So these are a much smaller base than your 905s or your 906s, but it looks like they should be pretty good. And they have the fans included on the back, which is good because my low beams also run as a oh cool, comes with these little install gloves too. It's kind of a cool feature. But got a nice plug there. Nice, very short wire harness, and thankfully it seems like it should be the right depth as well to fit in that tight spot. So you might have a reversible plug on here, so we'll address that once we install them on the 2014 Silverado. So there you go, ZonCar H11 low beam LED headlights.